Hi friends, welcome to ITSTARTERS. In this video tutorial, going to use this BOLT IoT module. This is a very simple project where we are interfacing a LM35 temperature sensor with BOLT IoT module. And this BOLT IoT module will be sending the temperature data to the BOLT Cloud IoT platform. And this temperature data will get recorded over there, and it will be showing in terms of a gauge, and you can see the live data over there. So let's quickly see how it is connected and built. So as a beginner, you can always try this project. It's very simple, and you can understand how BOLT IoT can be very useful to build the projects and to know or understand the basics of IoT. So here we are using this BOLT IoT module, which contains different pins over here, and we are using this LM35 temperature sensor over here. So there are three pins of LM35 temperature sensor. One is for VCC, that is input voltage supply, one is ground, and one is for the data pin, which provides the temperature values, which provides the data. So here we have connected the VCC pin with 5 volts and ground pin with the ground over here, and the data pin is connected with the A0, that is the analog pin of the module over here. So the connection is very simple, and we'll be sharing this connection diagram. You can see in your screen as well, and you can connect it from your end as well. And let's quickly see how it is configured further, so that we get this data easily in the BOLT IoT cloud platform, and we can represent it, or we can display it in a very meaningful way. Okay, so let's quickly have a look. So once you have added your BOLT IoT module using the BOLT IoT app, now it's time to configure and make some projects. So here in this project, as you know, that we are using LM35 temperature sensor, and we will be linking it, and we'll show you how to add it in a gauge to display the temperature along with the alert mechanism. It will send an alert to your mobile application whenever the temperature reaches a particular threshold. So we'll see how to build this. So currently I'm logged into my BOLT IoT cloud platform over here, and you can see this is my BOLT device with the BOLT ID, and current status is online, and it is not linked with any kind of product. So what we are going to do is we will be clicking on this product section over here, and then we'll click on add a product. So it is asking either you can create a new product or import a product. So we are going to create a new product, and we will be putting a product name over here as an LM35. So this we can put, and this will be as a input device over here. We'll be using collecting the data using GPIO. So we'll click on done. If you want, okay, we'll be putting a name, a different name, LM35 temp. Okay, and we'll click on done. So we have created this LM35 temp over here, which is the name which we have given to this product, and right now we are going to configure it. So for configuration, we'll click on configure this product, and here you can put the readme details over here, different the overview and the things used in this product and all the details, schematics and video demonstration links. If you want to put anything, you can mention all these things here and click on save. So right now I'm not putting anything. I'll be straight away moving to the hardware code over here. So hardware, it will have, first of all, the steps are there, and it is mentioned that you should be connecting it as per the module and as per the circuit design. You have to give a proper name. So right now the data collection rate that we are putting is 5 minutes over here, and we have selected BOLT Wi-Fi module over here, and the data pin of the LM35 sensor is connected to the A0 pin, that is the analog pin. So we'll click here, and then we have to put a variable name over here, as you can see. So A0 analog, we will be putting a name over here, so we can put LM35 temp. We'll be putting LM35 temp, and we'll try to save. So it is already saved. Now we'll go to code to write the code over here. So we have to put a file name over here. We can put this LM35 temp same name, or if you want, you can change it as well. We'll be selecting JavaScript over here. This will be the file extension, and we have already provided the code to you. You can get the code, copy paste the same code over here. So I'll be copy pasting this code. This code is for making a gauge which will display the temperature. So we'll be putting this entire code over here. So the code is quite simple. It is using the library from Google Chart, and then this is the chart title, LM35 sensor, and this type of chart will be gauge, and the axis name will be temperature in degree centigrade, and then the dimensions are given. So I'll be sharing the link as well, where you will get all the details and the parameters, what are they meant for and how you can modify if you need to modify. And here plot chart for the temperature. So here we will be putting LM35 temp, that would be the variable that we have mentioned. So we will be putting so this is the variable that we have set. So we will correct it, and now we'll again save it. So the code is also saved now. So now we'll be closing this, and we'll be linking this product with the device. So we have this product and we'll link it. So we have this option over here, as you can see, this is link device to this product. So we'll click here, and we are adding this particular device with this product. So we'll select this and we'll click on done, and it is asking you for an alert. So we'll click on yes. So once it is added, it will be displaying over here, and here it will, if you keep the cursor, it will show unlink this device, which means this device is already linked with this product. Now we'll click on deploy configuration, so that whatever configuration the code which is there, it will be uploaded, and we can click on this view this device to see what exactly it will show. So as you can see, it is showing the temperature gauge over here, which is in temperature degree centigrade, and the range starts from 0 to 150 in positive temperature values, and the current temperature is 31.3 degrees centigrade, and it will be a real time. Basically, if there is a change, then definitely it will be changing here as well, that you can see. Once you click on download data, you will get the list of temperature values in CSV format, which can help you to analyze the data from your end if you want, or you can push that data to somewhere else where you have created any kind of dashboards, So this is how it is very helpful, and it is very simple. I would suggest you to go through this, and you can create multiple projects. You can buy this entire BOLT IoT module very easily in very discounted price. I'll be putting the link in the description. So now our setup is complete. The temperature we can see here in the gauge, but now we want to configure the alert mechanism over here. So for that we will be clicking on this alert option, and we will be clicking on add new alert. So we'll click on it, and we will be getting click below to configure. Okay, so we'll click on this, and we have to give a alert name. So we'll be putting an alert name over here, as in anything that you want. So I'll be putting in LM35 alert. So this is a custom name, you can put anything based on your requirement. And here we have the condition. So we will be selecting the data. If A0 is greater than, now you have to put the value. So this value will be the raw reading of the A0 data in millivolts, which will be coming in, and based on that you have to put it over here. So if the voltage is exceeding that threshold voltage, then it will be sending you an alert. So likewise here I am putting a value of 310, which is equivalent to almost 30 degrees. Okay, if it is more than 30 degrees centigrade, then it will send an alert on your BOLT IoT mobile application. So this will be the value that I am putting in. You can test it and you can change it according to your need. Then we have the alert over here. This is this one time alert, or it is like keep on coming if till the time the value is going down. So suppose once it reaches beyond 30 degrees, it will keep on sending you the message or the notification on your mobile till the time it comes below 30. So it will be continuously sending you the notifications, but currently one time alert is enabled, which means that it will send only once if the value increases beyond 30 degrees centigrade. Even though it stays there for suppose 10 minutes or half an hour, it will not keep on sending this notification again and again. So if it is very critical for you, you can disable this so that it will keep on sending. Currently I am disabling it, and then it is giving you an option as send push notifications. So here all other plans, all other options have the cloud BOLT Cloud Pro membership, that your subscription that you have to take. So currently we will be selecting this push notification over here, and you can mention a custom message over here, like I'll be putting so this is the custom message that I have put in, and you can put according to your requirement. And these are all the time period for the alerts. If you want a customized time only during which this alert is supposed to be sent to you, or you should be getting notified, then you can put the custom timing. Currently I'm not changing anything over here, so I want it to be available 24/7. So you can select the time zone from time to time, and according to days it will be working. So this will be my basic template that I'm going to create. It's a basic alert configuration. So we'll enable it over here, and we'll click on save alert. So currently you can see this alert is created. Now we have to link this to a particular device for sending it for sending the alert. So we'll click on this link, and then it will display the device that we have already got. So we'll click on it and then click on done, and it will ask whether you want to link with this alert with this device, and we'll go with yes. And here you can see the product is now linked. So whenever it will go beyond the threshold, we'll be receiving an alert on our mobile phone. That's all for today. Stay tuned. We'll be coming up with some new BOLT IoT projects using this BOLT IoT module. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye.